Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So another video on ticker symbol triple BY, and why not? Because the stock was up 24.7% even after our almost 0.6%, in total more than 25%. And in my last video on my YouTube channel, I was talking about can it move big, right? So next week, because it was on last Friday, but the price was 10.7, 10.5 was after hour, and see, we are sitting at 13.46. So very happy it's working. So over our Discord, we are early, like in the morning when I was making my dated plan for my Discord community. You can see triple BY, we had two entries, 11.3 and 10.9. And if you look at the chart today, it was awesome. Once the market opened, then it came back to a 10.9, which was the better entry, and from there the high of the day is 36%. The other major trade we have was AVCT. You can see our entry was 0.16 and 0.15. Look what happened here. From here right at 0.16, it went to 0.49, 206% from our entry to high of the day. So anyway, congratulations if you're part of my family and you have to make some money. If you want to join my community, then just $9 per month or $25 per month for the VIPs. The link will be in the first comment, also in the description. You can join now. You can have 2 free days, and if you want you can cancel, and or otherwise I can refund you the money on September 1st. So anyway, you can have some free access. So anyway, let's see how we played this particular one. But before that, few important thing, that look at the volume today. 136 million volume. So compared to the average, the volume was higher today. Almost 30% more volume came today. If you look at the volume, we had a nice squeeze. We got volume like 400 million, then the volume died, and last week was no volume, and today again nice volume came. See, the last time the volume was 164, the next day the volume was 395. So compared to 164, today's volume was 126. Not bad at all. Very excited. Also, looking at the option chain activity, still very exciting. For the 12 strike price, you can see the open interest here. For 15 strike price, right? So still a lot of thing happening. Call is still higher than the put. Call is higher than the put. So very interesting. So let's talk about the price action now, because I do not want to make it a long video, so that I can make another video on ticker symbol AVCT, which moved 200% from our entry today. So how we played today and what is the price action, what will be the price target. So in the morning, you can see BBBY was really pushing big, right? There was some kind of resistance around 11.3. It went up, came down, and we were thinking about 11.3 as our first entry. But once the market opened, everything was coming down, so that was not the perfect entry. Our next entry was 10.9, and it is a safer entry just because you can see that the day before 10.9 was the resistance. So we thought that should be a safer entry, and when you see the previous resistance becomes the new support, that is always a bull sign. And it was then again going up. It retested that 11.7 mark, which was the pre-market high. Couple of times it got rejected, came down, but this time it made a higher low. Again it went, and lastly finally you can see it just broke 11.7. So it was making higher low. So we had this particular triangle to observe the trend. At the same time, we were watching, can it break 11.7. So it broke 11.7. Then we are also looking at $12 area, because it got rejected 12 previously. So it went over 12, but see how beautiful it is. It went over 12, came down, and bounced up that particular area, meaning that the previous resistance of 12 became the new support. This is how a stock should move, not like parabolic go up, pull back, make a higher low, again go up. So your support is becoming 10.9, 11.3, 12, right? So then it went up all the way to 14.8, came down, and currently it was moving around this 13.4 area. Again, if you see why 13.4, I will just go back maybe 15-minute chart. I will just come back here. Look here what happened. It's some week I see around 13.4, and also last time it came to 13.4 and it bounced. So 13.4, the line is coming from here. You can see I have another line right around $14, which could be a slight resistance. So it needs to hold 13.4, and also 14 would be some kind of resistance. But one important thing I want to show you with triple BY, um, and most importantly, when Triple BY was running on this channel, we were very, very early on Triple BY, and we made a lot of money all the way to 20, 27, 28. And if you're following my channel, you know I made a lot of Triple BY videos, right? So looking at this particular one seems really, really good. 15 was a rejection today, and why not? You see the 15 here, right? So it was a support. Now 15 would be a resistance, but if we can break this 15, then we have room all the way to 16.6, $18, $19, and you know how BBY moves, right? So very, very exciting. Just I'm gonna hide everything. Just look at the chart, how beautiful it is. It is just going back up, and there are lots of room, and maybe it can go back to 18. You can see a big drop from 18, so why not? It can go back to 18. So anyway, if you're part of my community, so each morning I come up with a dated plan. During the day I update the chart, I talk, we chat, we all make some money together. So congratulations once again if you're part of my community. Even if you made money on Triple BY, congratulations, because I love this particular stock. So anyway, let me know your thought if you make some money. Also, what's your plan? What is your price target? I'm very, very excited with Triple BY. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, you can join my community. If you don't like it, you can always ask me for a refund. I can refund you, but give a try, and hopefully we will make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.